Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. CNC Plasma Cutters are advanced cutting tools that combine computer numerical control CNC technology with plasma cutting, a process that uses an accelerated jet of hot plasma to slice through conductive materials. These machines are widely used in industries such as metal fabrication, automotive, and construction, thanks to their ability to produce precise cuts on a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, and copper. CNC plasma cutters are valued for their speed, accuracy, and efficiency, offering high-quality results with minimal manual effort. Their programmable nature allows users to create intricate designs and repetitive cuts with ease, making them an essential tool for both professional and hobbyist fabricators. Whether for heavy-duty industrial projects or custom artistic work, CNC plasma cutters provide versatility and exceptional performance. Number 5. Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter. The Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for high-efficiency cutting in various applications. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this model offers a compact design with dimensions of 18x9x14 inches, making it suitable for tight spaces and easy to transport. The Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is a solid, budget-friendly option for those looking for precision cutting in a compact and easy-to-use machine. While it's not designed for heavy industrial use, it is a great tool for personal, light-duty, and small-scale commercial applications. Its portability, decent duty cycle, and straightforward functionality make it a strong contender in its class. Number 4. Vevor VVPC Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter. The Vevor VVPC Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is a powerful and reliable tool designed for cutting a wide range of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, and copper. With an input voltage range of 110V to 220V, the cutter delivers impressive flexibility, making it suitable for various applications in both professional and hobbyist settings. The Vevor VVPC Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is a solid choice for those in need of a versatile, efficient, and portable cutting tool. Its ability to handle a variety of metals with precision and power, along with its user-friendly features and energy efficiency, make it a reliable option for both small workshops and larger industrial settings. Whether you're cutting thick steel or making precise, clean cuts in aluminum or copper, this plasma cutter delivers great performance for the price. Number 3. Bestarc BTC 500 XP11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter. The Bestarc BTC 500 XP11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter is a powerful and versatile plasma cutting machine that offers impressive performance for both professional and industrial applications. With a rated output range of 15 to 50 amps at 220V, this plasma cutter is designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease, delivering smooth and precise cuts across a range of materials. The Bestarc BTC 500 XP11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter is a solid choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable and efficient plasma cutter. With a robust build, great cutting capacity, and ease of use, it is an excellent option for high-performance plasma cutting in a variety of settings. Whether you're cutting metal for fabrication or doing maintenance work, this plasma cutter provides the power and precision you need for optimal results. Number 2. HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter is a robust and highly efficient tool designed for industrial and professional use. With a maximum cutting thickness of up to 25 mm at 70 psi dry air, this machine is ideal for a wide range of metal cutting applications, delivering precise results on materials such as steel, aluminum, and copper. The HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter is a powerful and reliable tool for professionals who require precision and efficiency in their cutting tasks. With its versatile current range, durable duty cycle, and compatibility with CNC systems, it delivers top-notch performance for both industrial and commercial applications. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, automotive repair, or other industrial tasks, the HC8000 is an excellent investment for those looking for reliable and high-quality plasma cutting performance. Number 1. Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter. The Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter is a powerful, high-performance machine designed for precision cutting in various industrial applications. Offering a versatile cutting range and ease of use, this plasma cutter is ideal for professionals seeking reliable and efficient performance. The Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter offers great value for those in need of a reliable, high-performing plasma cutter. With a flexible voltage range, efficient cutting performance, and excellent precision, it is an excellent choice for small workshops or large industrial operations. Whether you are cutting through thin materials or need to tackle more demanding projects, the BTC 800 XP is a dependable tool that ensures clean and accurate results. Its durability and efficiency make it an excellent long-term investment for professional users. Thanks for watching this video.